Having poor reception on your Samsung Galaxy A15? There are several troubleshooting methods you can try to boost signal strength. Solution 1. Check your signal strength. Weak cellular signals can prevent stable reception. Check how many bars your phone currently has reading network towers. Here's how. 1. Open Settings and go to Connections. 2. View and note current cellular signal strength shown by number of bars filled. 3. 1 to 2 bars indicates bad signal, or worse, nothing. Move closer to a window and recheck. Solution 2. Disable battery optimization. Battery optimization can interfere with apps accessing full signal strength. In this device, you can't find battery optimization option, but you can disable one feature that you can test if it can help the bad reception issue. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings, Battery, then Background Usage Limits. 2. Toggle the switch. Put unused apps to sleep to turn this option off. 3. See if it helps with the issue. Solution 3. Reset network connections. Resetting stored Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth connections can refresh the issue, forcing fresh signal recognition. To reset networking, 1. Go into Settings, General Management, then Reset. 2. Select both mobile network and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. 3. Re-enter any Wi-Fi passwords after restart.